Okay, SC10. We'll see what we have configured so far. Company code defined. Okay. Next step is SPRO. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations, chart of accounts list, new entries, tab 9, tab 9, English 10. Okay, chart of accounts are made. It's just the title has been made. Assign company code, chart of accounts. Our company code is tab 9. So we will assign tab 9. Save. Save. Define account group. Now this is important step. LFP 9. 9. L9CA. We'll just copy this as a template. Okay. Copy as tab 9. Control Y. Select zero balance accounts. Assets. Expenses. Copy. So we have segments of all GL accounts. So we can make GL accounts for this, and every segment will have its own numbering range. Okay. Now that is done. Retained earnings account, L9CA. Okay, 100, 100. DAP 9. Now we are making a retained earnings account for the year end. For the year end trial balance. Okay, all income and expense, profit and loss will be collected over here and adjusted with equity. Okay. Save. And we are done with today's lecture. Okay. So what we have done to check that what we have done, SE10 display. This is tab 9. FICO config. This is what we have done today. Company code, account groups, company code, chart of accounts, retained earnings, and chart of accounts list. Okay.